Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable Hotspot on your NUBIA Z70 Ultra. If you enable Hotspot, then you'll be able to share your mobile data with another phone, and to do it, go to the Settings app. Then in the Settings, just go to the mobile network, then hotspot and tethering, enable Wi-Fi hotspot. And now when you go to the settings on any other phone and go to the Wi-Fi, you can also click on the Wi-Fi hotspot to see your network name. I don't know why it's called OnePlus 13 if it's a Nubia phone, but okay. And you see the password as well. You can also click on that to change the hotspot name here. Okay, so I'm gonna change it to Nubia, and I'm gonna change the hotspot password to maybe 00000000. It has to have at least 8 symbols. You can also change the band and more, so I'm gonna leave it as it is now. And on my other phone I can see Nubia here, enter its password, join, and I am connected to the own Wi-Fi network of this phone, which is shared from the mobile data the phone is connected to. And here I can go to manage devices and I'll see different devices on the list. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.